Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back to this back at me. How you been? I got this 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan, alright? And what is it? SER line 2.0 L4. Let's show you real quick how to do the oil change in this baby, alright? So come on, man. I'm not gonna hold you up. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Get your subscription now. It's for free, man. Take it while it lasts. Now I'm Jane. It's for free. So take advantage, alright? I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's get it. So, boom, boom.
During the video, you will see the picture of the tool I'm using for the project with its current price. Some of these tools come with up to 50% discount. It is very easy to get them. Just go to the description box of the same video and look for the name of the tool that you need. Right underneath of it, you will see the link which it's going to take you to Amazon so you can finish your purchase. The tools will be delivered to you within 2 days or next day. Amazing, huh? Get the right tool for the job now. Yeah.
You're gonna come through the chair. That's how you open it. Pull this up. Lever is gonna be right here. Alright? You don't need to hold it. It has a piston. What else, baby? Oh, this baby has 17,000 miles. 17,000 miles. Alright. Engine oil cap. No cap. Oil filter. Oil filter, I'm sorry. It's too early. Oil dipstick. Okay. Windshield fluid reservoir. Coolant reservoir. Air filter. Engine air filter. Brake fluid reservoir. Battery. Motherboard. Fuse box. What else you need to know? Let's pop this. Are you ready? Boom. Let's see. Oil filter. How am I doing? Everything Gucci? 32 millimeter socket for the oil filter. Ooh, it wasn't that tight. Talking about tight. The oil filter says the torque specification 25 plus 5 Newton meter. Alright. Loose it counterclockwise. Tight it clockwise. You know the deal. Ay. You see it. Thing's hot though. We'll get to the filter in a minute though. Oh, we can do it right now. Why not? Alright. Show you real quick how to do this oil filter. What we gotta do is we're gonna remove the oil filter. Light soap. Okay, let me give you some light. So you can see what I'm doing right here. Let me get a rack though. Alright, then I'm gonna come through, remove the oil ring, light soap, get your lap pick. Alright. And clean it some. Go to crazy on this. Get the Pro Tune oil filter, part number. Any of those two. Then this one's gonna give you 3 options: pure relator, weights, frame. On the right side is the part number. You see it. Post to read. Let me open it. If it's man filter, it's gonna be 6013Z. This open in like so. I'll ring right here. Like that. Boom. Now I do some grease, so it's not that hard pulse when I put it in. No diddy. Pretty much it. Don't go crazy on it. Come through over here. Put it in. Pulse. Now it says 25 Newton meter plus 5. That's fine. I'm not gonna go crazy when I torque it. Get hard. Maybe like 45 degrees less. You feel it right there. That's Gucci. Let's drain the oil. Alright, you're gonna come down here. Look for that oil drain plug. Okay, this one is like made of carbon. Alright, you just need a flat screwdriver. Turn it counterclockwise. Like so. You see the oil coming out. Pulse. Ready, set, go. Alright. Very much. Beautiful. What you think about that oil? Say it again, will it? Will you go another 3,000 miles, 5,000 miles with it? Well, it's gonna be like this baby dates full synthetic, so when you have a brand new oil, you go 5,000 miles. If you take care of your car, you would do it before. This right here, this is the oil level sensor. Okay. If you're gonna replace it, do it before you pour the new oil in. Do it while the oil pan is empty. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to do the process again. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. Do the oil change when the car is hot. When the engine's hot. You drain most of it. Put the oil plug back. Let's see, what is it at? Some new oil filters come with this plug. Obviously, the one that I got doesn't come with it. Put it back like that until you cannot turn it clockwise no more. And that's it, baby. Clean after yourself. You Gucci. That's how you drain the oil in this baby. 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan. Grab a funnel. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, it's gonna take 6 quarts. 0W20. You know what time it is. Try to pour the oil slow, okay? You don't want it to overflow. Then you're gonna make a mess. Then your engine is gonna burn your oil. Then next you're gonna be suffocating with the smoke getting in your inside the car. You don't want all that. Non-chain, so, and that's just part of it. Some Nissans, if you pour the oil fast, it's gonna get in the wrong chamber, and you're gonna get the check engine light on. It's a whole nother story. But this is Volkswagen Tiguan. Alright. Done. 6 quarts, 0W20 with the engine oil cut back. Start the car, let it run for a minute. So let the car run for a minute. Stop the car. Let me say it again. Start the car, let it run for a minute, let the oil go through the whole system, especially the oil filter. Stop the car. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it, put it back in, all the way in, pulse. Now you have a reading. It's supposed to be right here, right? Right there. Okay. That's pretty much it with this baby. All right. Grab this cap, cover, whatever you want to cover it. Try to line it. This one. And put it right here. That's it. Don't tell me to clean all this because that's another department. All right. Yeah.